ARK Labs Makerspace in St. Petersburg, Florida. Come on in. So this space is intended to serve the needs of startup founders who have a physical product. So think of this as the lab in SPARK Labs for making physical stuff. For the time being, it's occupied by Memoresse. My project is Memories Lockbox by Memoresse, which is a treasure chest for containing your family's memories. And what I've set up here is called in the business FATP, Final Assembly Testing and Packaging. And I would actually add a couple of letters if we begin right here with receiving. So this is receiving parts. So receiving, then final assembly. This is my collection of parts for creating Memories Lockbox. I'm at advanced production ready prototype stage, and this is the case, the wooden case for Memories Lockbox. All of the parts required, the tools required for assembly. So I can actually build these devices right here in St. Petersburg, Florida. And then 2 stations for installing software, then testing right here, packaging, and shipping. So we are essentially set up and ready to produce computers, believe it or not, in the United States of America, right here at SPARK Labs, St. Petersburg, Florida. We're making stuff. Join us.